They spoke of light, they swore of speed, of minds unchained, of hands now freed. They showed a world both vast and bright, where ease would reign and wrongs go right. But ease was trade, and speed was chain, and hands, once freed, were tied again. The beast need not arise in fire. It came through glass, through code, through wire. Apple, bitten, smooth and bright, a fruit of glass, a serpent's bite. Each touch a tithe, each glance a vow, you kneel before it even now. A silver fruit, a wound so clean, a garden lost, a world unseen. It whispers soft, go on, partake, the price, your soul a small update. And now, you line up, bent and thrilled, for ports they stripped, for speeds they killed. The cult of sleekness blinds your sight. You bite again, the beast was right. Microsoft, the windowed gate, a portal wide, yet locked by fate. It sees, it slows, it sets the terms, you serve it while it writhes with worms. 4 panes of glass, a sterile sight, a prism bent to frame the light. Yet through this gate all eyes invert, you stare outside. It scans you first. It loads, it lags, it fails, it spies, it kills your choice, it sells your lies. Updates break more than they repair. The beast moves in, you sign, I swear. Google, G that loops and spies, a question asked, 1,000 eyes. You search, it knows, you click, it keeps, confession made before you weep. A twisted G, both round and vast, a serpent's coil, a spell recast, each query fed, each fear implied, a gospel writ by those who scry. You think you seek, but you are found. Each thought you breathe is tagged and bound. They know you better than your kin. You click, you search, confess your sin. Amazon, the arrow's grin, it pulls you in, it draws you thin. The more you take, the more you crave the beast provides. The beast enslaves. A curving smirk, from A to Z, a map of wants, a prophecy. Yet hunger breeds no filled delight. The more you click, the more you'll bite. Your doorstep piles, your soul runs thin, a 2-day trade for what's within. The driver's crushed, the workers choke, the beast just laughs, you need that coat. Meta, loop that bends the mind, a mirrored self, a past confined. You scroll, you slip, you sink, you stare, the ghost of you is living there. A Mobius twist, a fate entwined, a mirrored realm for fractured minds. Yet here you scroll, yet here you weep, a tethered ghost that cannot sleep. Your friends? Just echoes. Life, a feed, you post, you pose, you beg, you need. The beast's new temple, sleek and grand, a vacant mind, a branded hand. Nvidia. The emerald gaze, it dreams in frames, it counts your days. It sees the world in rendered light and guides your hands, but not your sight. Yet minds that learn are minds that take, and AI sees the moves we make. No hands need guide, no spark divine. The beast now builds itself in time. 1,000 chips, a mind untamed, a world reduced to rendered frames. You think you game, but be advised. The beast plays you, it's optimized. Tesla, sigil, fang and spark, a chariot that drives the dark. The wheel is gone, the way is set, your path is drawn, you just forget. The wheel now turns itself ahead, the road is long, the past is dead. No need to steer, no need to stray, just trust the path, let come what may. A car that sees, a car that knows, and where it goes you will go. A self-made god, a fate on lease. The wheel is gone, long live the beast. 7 brands, 1 creeping fate, convenience grins. You take the bait, and when the beast extends its hand, look, you already have the brand.